Oh, hi there. What? Why did you all come here? Oh, so you're going camping, and you're not sure what to do with these things. Ropes? These are ropes. So, don't worry. My name's Aaron Benjamin Gamang Danker, metric number 22007-105, and I'm going to be showing you 6 basic knots that you should know. Let's go.
These are six basic nuts you should know before going camping.
The first knot we will be learning is the reef knot. It is used to tie two ends of a single rope together such that they will secure something. Now, let's try and tie the reef knot together. The first thing you need is a rope. Then, you get both ends of the rope in each hand. Then, the end on the left hand crosses over the rope on the right hand and put it in. And then, the rope on the right hand crosses over the rope on the left hand and pull. If you're able to get this shape and do this, that means you have successfully done a reef knot. You can open the reef knot by pulling both of the same ends and just pulling the rope apart.
Easy, right? Let's move on to the next knot.
Next is the sheet band knot. The sheet band knot is used to unite two ropes of different sizes. First, you will need two ropes. Then, you take the first rope and make it into a loop. Take the end of the second rope and put it through the loop of the first rope. Then you bring it down and bring it back up over the loop and put it through itself. Then you pull tight. There's also the double sheet band knot, which is more secure. So we put the rope through the loop and then we go around the loop 2 times. Then we pull it through and we pull tightly. There we have an even more secure double sheet band knot.
Let's move on to the next knot.
The bowline knot is a knot used to form a loop at the end of the rope. It can be used for hoisting or hauling. There are two types of bowline knots, which are the single bowline and the double bowline. To make the single bowline, you need to add one loop at the end of the rope. Put the end of the rope through the loop and take the other end, and with the first end, wrap it around and put it through the loop. Then pull tightly. There you have it. For the double bowline, the technique is the same. It's just that you need to make 2 loops. Then you take the first end and put it through the both loops. And then you take the longer end and wrap the first end around it and put it through the loops and pull tightly. There you have it, a more secure double bowline.
That was easy. Now let's try another knot.
The clove hitch knot is used to secure a middle section of rope to an object it crosses over. Now, let's try to do it. So first, we take the rope and wrap it around the object, going underneath itself. Then we go up, creating an X, as you can see. And then we wrap it around again and take the end and put it through the middle of the X. Then we pull tightly. There you have it.
Let us try the next knot.
The next knot is the figure of 8 knot, which is commonly used to tie in the rope or create anchorage. To make the figure of 8 knot, first you will need to make a loop at the end of the rope. And then you wrap the rope around itself and pull the end through the loop, adjusting both ends. Next, we will be making the figure of 8 loop. So, to start, we need to create a loop with the rope. Then, we take the loop and fold it against itself, going up and going back through the loop, pulling tightly. There we have a figure of 8 loop, which is more secure.
On to the last knot. Let's go.
The next knot we'll be learning is to create a figure of 8 loop from the figure of 8 knot. Let's see how it's done. Firstly, we would have need to done a figure of 8 knot. After that, we will loosen the knot and take the longer end and put it through the knot following itself. So we will go through and then go up, going around the loop and going back down underneath, and then we'll be following it and pulling tightly. There you have it, a figure of 8 loop from a figure of 8 knot.
Now you know